Welcome to CORALINUS, a cluster of 12 HDB blocks comprising of mainly 4-room flats. There are also 2 multi-storey car parks which house a food court, supermarket as well as other essential shops. In addition, there is also a multi-purpose hall for all the neighbourhood social activities. Located centrally in Punggol Estate, CORALINUS is within a short walking distance to most essential amenities which we will look at later. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai. Thanks for watching my video. Now, let's move on to see the star of the video, that is a beautifully decorated 4-room flat on high floor with an unblocked view. Are you ready?
Located at Block 301A Punggol Central, this is a corner 4A standing at 1001 square feet or 93 square meters. Overall layout is squarish, making renovation, decoration and laying of furniture simple and straightforward. All 3 bedrooms can accommodate a double bed comfortably with space for a wardrobe and a desk. Master and common bathrooms are located side by side. Kitchen is of a good size, making cooking always a joy. Finally, there's also a yard for your laundry and a home shelter that doubles as a storeroom. Our unit is tastefully decorated with contrasting color combinations, adding vibrancy to the home. Sitting on a high floor with a panoramic unblocked view that greets you every day, looking out the window is sure a great way to unwind yourself from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here we have one of the common bedrooms used as a study. Notice the space for the many cabinets and bookshelves. With this space, you can stretch your imagination as to how to maximize the room. The other common bedroom is used as a guest room, which is always bright and airy. Master bedroom is decorated with a New York theme wallpaper. A cozy and comfortable environment lets you rejuvenate to prepare for all the challenges you will face the next day. Kitchen is spacious, with cabinets on both sides, giving you lots of storage spaces. As spacious as it can be, having 2 or 3 persons preparing the delightful meal will be a joy indeed. Now that we have seen the unit, let's move on to see the amenities. As introduced earlier, you will find most amenities within easy reach here at CORALINUS. Families with young children will be pleased to know that there are 5 primary schools within a 1 kilometer radius. These schools are Punggol View Primary, Edgefield Primary, Oasis Primary, Punggol Green Primary and Horizon Primary. This close proximity not only gives you choices when enrolling your children to a school, but most importantly, reducing the time taken to travel to school. In addition to the food court, supermarket and other essential shops at the multi-storey car park to cater to your daily needs, we are also within a short walk to Waterway Point Shopping Mall, should you be looking for a wider variety of shopping and dining. Within this vicinity, you will also find the bus interchange as well as the Punggol MRT station, where travelling around Singapore will be a breeze. The One Punggol Community Hub, which houses the Punggol Community Club, Punggol Hawker Centre and Punggol Library, as well as the Punggol Regional Sports Centre and the Safra Punggol are all within a short walk away too. So your leisure time can be fully maximised to lead a healthy lifestyle. Last but not least, we are also within close proximity to the Punggol Digital District, a 50-hectare development that integrates the surrounding residential areas to bring exciting job opportunities closer to homes. This comprises the new Singapore Institute of Technology campus, JTC's Business Park, as well as commercial and community spaces. The district is planned to be an inclusive and smart precinct where technology and social innovations will transform the way we work, live, play and learn.
So there you have it, a beautifully decorated 4-room flat located here in Punggol Central. If this is what you're looking for, text me today by scanning this QR code and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai, signing off, cheers!